Hey guys, it's Fossilization here, and today I'm joined with Adorma. Say hello.
Hola.
And your friend, if your friend is even alive.
Emma, do you want to say hi?
Oh my god! It's you!
Relationship goals.
Wait, what? Okay, moving on from that note.
Somebody touched my spaghetti.
Nobody touching your spaghetti. I will be
I'm
announced.
touching it.
What?
I'm touching on my spaghetti.
Stop touching your spaghetti. Oh my, I'm getting very off topic right now.
Stop eating my spaghetti.
My spaghetti. I am here to announce the giveaway winner of last, I think it was like 2 days ago, like the video. The winner of the giveaway, since no one, is Gummy Bomb. You are the winner. So if you see this video, please comment in the comment section down below what you want, or I'm gonna give the masterpiece away. So yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Would you like to add something?
Who was it?
Was what?
Who won?
Gummy Bomb?
Gummy Bomb? Gummy Bomb said, can you draw a cute bunny masterpiece?
Yeah, I don't know what color she wants. Like, I'm probably just gonna draw a bunny.
Just do a white bunny.
Alright, I'm gonna live stream it.
Pink and white.
Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video here. You wanna say bye so I can do a live stream about it?
Adios, amigos.
I'm Spanish and I don't even know that much Spanish.
But
I'm just gonna end off there. Goodbye, everyone. My fellow Homo sapiens.